Hi, I'm Lauren Cannon, and I'm here at the club at Putnam Park, the premier destination for car enthusiasts in central Indiana. Here, the drivers and the owners, they're not just passionate about performance on the track, they seek the absolute best in every aspect of their lives. And when they look for the best in audio, video, automation, and lifestyle, they choose Millennium Sounds. A shared vision for quality without compromise is exactly why Millennium Sounds and the club at Putnam Park have a relationship that spans over a decade. From our work in the clubhouse to the garages and beyond, it's truly a long-term partnership. Our commitment to quality is on full display in the facilities here. Millennium Sounds designed and installed a complete technology ecosystem to meet the high standards of the members. That means Ubiquiti Wi-Fi and access controls, a layered ICRealtime security camera system, and integrated Control 4 for effortless management of everything, including TVs, audio, temperature, and lighting. Everything here is premium with high-fidelity audio from brands like Focal and Klipsch throughout the space. It's a seamless blend of performance and luxury, just like the cars that call this place home. The collaboration between the club at Putnam Park and Millennium Sounds sends a clear message. When you demand the best, you partner with the best. To see how Millennium Sounds can bring this level of integration and quality to your home or business, contact us today.